Welcome to Gear Grinders, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Hero Xpulse 200. A bike that's making waves with its upgraded features, enhanced performance, and bold design. If you're looking for a versatile adventure bike that offers both power and comfort, keep watching. A bold new design. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 has undergone a significant makeover, embracing a more aggressive, modern look. With a sharper front fascia, updated LED headlamps, and a redesigned fuel tank, this bike is not just a ride but a statement on the road. The matte finish, combined with sleek body lines, gives it a bold, rugged character that's hard to ignore. Enhanced performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Xpulse 200 packs an upgraded 199.6cc engine that's designed to provide a perfect balance of power and efficiency. With an increase in overall performance, this engine delivers more torque and better throttle response, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails. Coupled with a 5-speed gearbox, the ride is as efficient as it is exciting. Technology that matters. The new Xpulse 200 comes with a host of technological enhancements. It now features a fully digital instrument cluster, offering real-time ride data like trip details, fuel efficiency, and navigation. The bike also comes equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can sync your smartphone for call alerts and music control, making long rides even more enjoyable. Improved suspension and comfort. One of the biggest upgrades to the 2025 Xpulse 200 is its suspension system. With new, long travel front forks and a rear monoshock, this bike is built for tackling all kinds of terrain. Whether you're riding on rough trails or smooth highways, the improved suspension ensures that you have a smooth and comfortable ride throughout. Conclusion. The 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 is here to redefine what an adventure bike can be. With its powerful engine, stylish design, modern technology, and improved suspension, it's built to handle both the urban jungle and the toughest trails. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more updates and in-depth reviews of the latest bikes.